imagination into reality. That's what this journey has always been about. Hello guys, this is Anshita Kamini from B.Sc Animation and Gaming from KLH Hyderabad. This college has given me skills and confidence to bring my ideas into life. I have learned tools like Blender and Maya, completed my final project, and gained a real-world experience by doing a 3-month internship in my last semester. The internship was all about how to get students involved in gaming with learning. This was an educational game where students can learn experiments and also play at the same time. When the students are more engaged, they learn from the game and not just from the textbooks. To design this game, first we started collecting everything about what we need about the game. Then we started with the designing. Then we went with the UI. Then after that we started with the coding. We tested the game. And then after that we submitted the game. Now I thank KLH Hyderabad and the Department of B.Sc Animation and Gaming for giving me plethora of opportunities.